In our previous video, we explored the amazing benefits of pollen for your health and hair. But today, we're taking it one step further: what happens when you mix pollen with yogurt. This powerful combination could be the key to boosting your digestion, hair health, and overall wellness. Keep watching to discover how this simple blend can work wonders for you. Yogurt and pollen are both nutritional powerhouses on their own. Yogurt, with its rich probiotics, supports digestion and gut health. Pollen, packed with essential vitamins and minerals, nourishes your body and promotes healthy hair. But what happens when you combine these two? Let's find out how this duo can enhance your health and beauty routine. As we discussed in our previous video, pollen is a rich source of essential vitamins like B, C, and E, and minerals like zinc and selenium. These nutrients are great for promoting hair growth and boosting your overall health. Yogurt, on the other hand, contains probiotics that balance the gut bacteria, improving digestion, and is full of protein, which supports muscle and tissue health. But today, we're not just talking about consuming these separately, we're showing you how to combine them to amplify their benefits. Here are some proven recipes that you can try at home to boost your hair health and overall well-being using pollen and other natural ingredients. Pollen and coconut oil mixture. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of ground pollen, 3 tablespoons of organic coconut oil. How to prepare: mix the ground pollen with coconut oil in a small bowl. Warm the mixture slightly over low heat. Apply to your scalp and hair, gently massaging to improve absorption. Leave on for 30 minutes to 1 hour before washing it out with shampoo. Pollen and honey mixture. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of ground pollen, 2 tablespoons of natural honey. How to prepare: mix the ground pollen with coconut oil in a small bowl. Apply the mixture to damp hair and massage from scalp to ends. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes, then wash with lukewarm water and shampoo. Pollen and sweet almond oil mixture. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of ground pollen, 3 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. How to prepare: mix the ground pollen with almond oil until well combined. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair, rubbing gently. Leave on for 30 to 45 minutes, then wash thoroughly with shampoo. Pollen, when combined with natural ingredients like coconut oil, almond oil, or honey, creates powerful hair treatments that nourish, strengthen, and promote healthier hair. These mixtures provide deep hydration, essential nutrients, and protection against hair damage. Whether you're looking for more shine, moisture, or scalp health, these natural remedies can be a game changer for your hair care routine. Excited to try pollen for healthier, shinier hair? I've got you covered. Check the description below for links to high-quality pollen products available on Amazon and Walmart. Whether you're looking for supplements, oils, or other options, you'll find what you need to get started on your hair care journey.